Synthesize the following molecule using only benzene and of course using diazonium salt because we're in the amines chapter, right? So, okay. So let's look at what we have here. Here we have a propyl group. Here we have an alcohol group. I know I can make that one from a diazonium salt. A propyl group will have to be made by Friedel-Crafts acylation. I cannot do an alkylation, okay, on that one. So here's my thought process that I'm thinking of. The relationship between the alcohol group and the propyl group is a meta position, okay? So which means that when I do the acylation, I cannot reduce it right away. I need to go ahead and do whatever I need to, which is nitration, to get my meta group first, okay? And then I can work on that, okay? So which is work on the reduction of the acyl group. So that's my thought process for this. So let's go ahead and start working on this. And of course, we're using only benzene, right? So we're starting only from benzene. So the first step I'm going to go ahead and do on this one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Make sure you write all your reagents, okay, when you do this. So acyl chloride and of course the aluminum chloride. So once you have that, then you will have this ketone that you form. Now this is what I'm talking about. Now I have to do nitration first. Okay, so H2SO4. So I can get my meta product there. Now I can do reduction of the nitro group, or I can reduce the keto, and I will choose to reduce the keto because the reagent is a little bit different. So I'm going to use Clemenson. I can use Wolff-Kishner also, but I'll just go ahead and use the Clemenson reduction here. So my propyl group is all set. Now I have to work on my nitro group, and for my nitro group, I'm going to go ahead and reduce that. And I'll go ahead and do my diazotization right here. So which means NaNO2 HCl at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so which means that my diazonium salt is going to form, okay, using those two reactions. So after LAH, I will get the amine, right? And then amine, I can go ahead and do the diazotization. And after that, all I have to do now is add the water. And once I add water to it, I will get phenol, okay, from there. So this is the sequence of reactions. When you're dealing with benzene reactions, you really have to think about what do I need to add first? Do I add my propyl group first, or do I need to add my nitro group first? Do I add the alcohol group first? So all of these thoughts should go to your mind because things have consequences. If you have a propyl group, you can have only an orthopara group, okay, substitution there. If you have a nitro group, you can only have meta. You cannot do Friedel-Crafts, okay, if you have a nitro group. So all those things kind of happen when you have benzene reactions, okay? So you got to be a little bit more careful about your sequence of reactions. So this is the only synthesis that I can think of for this compound. If you have a different one, show it to me.